Now students, we are starting the practical number 2, micrometer screw gauge. This instrument is called as a micrometer screw gauge. It has two scales. First is main scale. This is also called as a axial line. And here starting reading is 0 and last reading is 25. And it is in millimeter. See here. Here one line gives it is 1 millimeter, and therefore range of this micrometer screw gauge is from 0 to 25. And here this is second scale. Here it is 0 and it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. And this is called as a circular scale. And here for micrometer screw gauge there are two scales. First is main scale and second is circular scale. And here these are two jaws to hold the object. And the main use of micrometer screw gauge is to measure the dimensions of small object. And now we see how to take the observations of micrometer screw gauge. Here first is pitch of the screw, or it is also known as distance travelled by the screw on main scale in one rotation, and it is denoted by P, and it is in centimeter. Here pitch of the screw, or it is also called as smallest division on main scale, or it is also called as the distance travelled by the screw on main scale in one rotation. Here see that. Here these two jaws are closed. See this. These two jaws are closed. When we take one rotation, here for this axial line, this line is coinciding, it is 95. When we take one rotation, then here it is observed that this is the distance travelled by the screw on main scale in one rotation, and it is equals to 1 millimeter. Or if we want to write it is in centimeter, then it is equals to 0.1 centimeter. Or we can say that the smallest division on main scale. Here after 0 there is one division. It is called as 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter, and therefore here pitch of the screw is 0.1 centimeter. Then second observation is total number of divisions on circular scale. And as we see here starting is 0, and when we rotate it, then it is observed that there are total 100 divisions. After that 90, there are also 10 divisions, and therefore total number of divisions on circular scale are 100. And here we count only the divisions, and therefore it has no unit, only write the number, that is n equals to 100. Then we have to calculate least count of micrometer screw gauge. This least count of micrometer screw gauge has formula P upon N. That means this is the first reading, pitch of the screw, and upon total number of divisions on circular scale. And therefore when we write the values of P and N, we get 0.1 divided by 100, and therefore it gives the value 0.001 centimeter. This is the value of least count of micrometer screw gauge. Then fourth observation is zero error correction. And as we know that when we use any instrument, then there may be a positive error, negative error or zero error. And this micrometer screw gauge has may be positive error or it may be negative error or it may zero error. And when we calculate the corrected reading, then at that time the Z may be added or subtracted. Now we see what is by positive error. See here, for finding the error, first precaution is close these two jaws. There is no gap between these two jaws. Then here, see, this is the axial line called as main scale line, and here this 90 number division is coinciding with that axial line, and this 0 of circular scale, it is above the axial line, and therefore it is called as a negative error. And therefore here, see this is the axial line, here it is 0, and here this 19 number division is coinciding with the axial line, and this 0 of circular scale, it is above the axial line, therefore it is called as a negative error. Then here for this experiment we get the negative error as negative error. Then here 0 error correction, and for that 0 error correction formula is n minus, here that coinciding division is 90 into least count. Then this n means total number of divisions on circular scale, and it has value 100 minus 90, and least count has value 0.001. Therefore multiplied by 0.001. Then we get 10 into 0.001. Therefore we get 0.010 centimeter. This is zero correction error. And here remember one thing, when we get negative error, then at that time this value must be added in the corrected reading. And if there is a positive error, then at that time subtract that value for the corrected reading. And here what is by zero error? Suppose here this is the axial line and this is circular scale. Then if the 0 of circular scale is exactly coinciding with the axial line, then it is called as a zero error. Then at that time that Z has value 0. That means for corrected reading, that total reading plus or minus 0, we get that corrected reading is equals to total reading. And when we take the corrected readings, then at that time add the 0.010 in each reading. Then now we start how to take the readings by using this micrometer screw gauge. This is the observation table. Here first object is given as metallic sphere. Here we want to measure the outer diameter of this metallic sphere. In this observation table, first column is MSR, it is in centimeter, it is called as a main scale reading. Second column is CSD, means circular scale division. Third is CSR, means circular scale reading, it is equals to circular scale division into least count. Then fourth column is TR, means total reading, it is equals to main scale reading plus circular scale reading. Then CR means corrected reading, it is equals to total reading plus or minus Z. This Z means zero error correction. And last column is average reading. If we take 3 readings or number of readings, then at last we find the average of that readings. Here first object is given as metallic sphere. Then now we take the metallic sphere. Here this metallic sphere, it is held in these two jaws. Then now we take the readings of this metallic sphere. Here this is main scale and this is circular scale. Here this edge of that circular scale, it is coinciding on this 6 line, that means 6 centimeters. Here after that fifth there is a 1 line, and here edge of that circular scale is coinciding with this 6 number line, and it is 6 millimeter. And when we have to write the MSR in centimeter, it gives 6 millimeter means it is 0.6 centimeter, and therefore here we write 0.6 centimeter. This is our first reading. Then we find the CSD, circular scale division. Here on this axial line, here this 99 number division is exactly coinciding with this main scale line, and therefore here we write circular scale division as 99. Then we make calculations. Here circular scale reading is equals to circular scale division into least count, and here circular scale division is 99. Therefore 99 into least count is 0.001, we get 0.099 centimeter. Then total reading is MSR plus CSR. This MSR is 0.6 plus CSR is 0.099, we get 0.699. And here next column is corrected reading is equals to total reading plus or minus Z. Here our total reading is 0.699, and as we know that if the micrometer screw gauge has 0 error, then at that time total reading as it is. But if the micrometer screw gauge has positive error, then subtract that value from total reading, and if the micrometer screw gauge has negative error, then add that value in total reading. And as we know that here we get negative error, and for correct reading add this value in total reading. Therefore here we add 0.010 in total reading, and therefore here 0.699 plus 0.010. Then make a total, we get here 9 as it is. Here 9 plus 1 we get 0. Then 6 plus 1 7. Therefore we get that correct reading is 0.709. Then here we have to find the average reading, and as we know that if we measure 2 times or 3 times, then we get the average, and therefore for the same object we have to take the second and third reading. And here if we hold that metal sphere many times, then here that metal sphere is same, that micrometer screw gauge is also same, therefore we again get the same readings. Here this edge of circular scale is coinciding on 6 number division, then again we get 0.6 centimeter as a main scale reading, and here 99 number division is coinciding on circular scale. Sorry, it is on axial line. 99 number division is coinciding. Therefore, we again get that readings as 0.6 as main scale reading. Second reading is 99. Again here take multiplication, 99 into 0.001, we get 0.099. That total is 0.699, and again that zero error correction is same, therefore we get the same reading 0.07709. Here instruments are same and therefore we again write the same reading 0.6, here 99, 0.099, total reading is 0.699 and here correct reading is 0.709. Then we have to find the average reading. Here these three readings are same. Then for making that average reading, here addition of these three readings 0.709 plus 0.709 plus 0.709, that totally divided by 3. Here all these three readings are same and therefore average is same 0.709 centimeter. This is the average outer diameter of metallic sphere. Then second, we take that block. It may be metallic block or wooden block. Here we want to find the thickness. Here fix this wooden block in these two jaws. See here, first we find the main scale reading, then circular scale reading. See here, this edge of circular scale, it is coinciding on 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 number division and it is equals to 9 millimeter. But here we have to write the readings in centimeter and therefore here main scale reading is 0.9 centimeter. Then we have to write the circular scale reading. See here, on this axial line, here 79th number division is coinciding and therefore here we take circular scale reading as 79 and therefore here we write 79. Then again make calculations. Circular scale reading is equals to circular scale division into least count. Therefore here we take 79 into 0.001, we get 0.079. Then here total reading is MSR plus CSR. MSR is 0.9 plus CSR is 0.079. We get here 0.979. Then again corrected reading. For finding correct reading formula is total reading plus or minus Z, and here we find the negative error. Therefore add that value 0.010 in total reading. Here total reading is 0.979 plus 0.010 and here we get 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, here 9 plus 0 is 9 and here this is decimal point. This is the first reading. And as we have seen in earlier, that is here this block is same, this micrometer screw gauge is also same, and therefore when we take the readings for second time or third time, that readings are same. See here again, here that edge of circular scale, it is coinciding on 9th number division and again that 79th number division coinciding on axial line, and therefore readings are same for second and third time, and therefore here we write that main scale as 0.9, circular scale reading is 79, circular scale reading is 0.079, total reading is 0.979 and correct reading is 0.989, and again for third time 0.9, here CHD is 79, correct reading is same, again that value is same, and here all these three readings are same. Therefore when we find average of these three readings, we get the same value as 0.989. This is the thickness of this wooden block. And here last we find the outer diameter of thin metallic wire. Here now we fix the thin metallic wire in these two jaws. See this is the thin metallic wire. And now we have to find the MSR and CSD for this thin metallic wire. See here, this edge of circular scale, it is coinciding on this first division of main scale. Therefore, we get main scale reading as 1 millimeter, or it is equals to 0.1 centimeter. Then for CSD, observe this axial line, it is coinciding on 30 number division of circular scale. See here, and therefore here CSD is 30, and therefore here in table we write main scale reading as 0.1, circular scale division is 30, then here calculation CSD 30 into least count is 0.001, we get 0.030. Then totaling is main scale reading as 0.1 plus circular scale reading is 0.039, we get 0.139. This is total reading. Then corrected reading. Corrected reading is totaling plus or minus z. Then here totaling is 0.139 plus our negative error is 0.010. Therefore we get 9 plus 0 is 9, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and the 0 as it is. This is the corrected reading of outer diameter of thin metallic plate, that is 0.149. And again when we take second and third reading, then it is again same. See here, main scale reading is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter, and CSD is 30, and therefore we write the second and third readings are same, that is main scale reading is 0.1, CSD 30, CSR is 0.030, total reading is 0.139, correct reading is 0.149, then again third reading as 0.1, CSD 30, CSR is 0.030, total reading is 0.139, corrected reading is 0.149, and here all these three readings are same, and therefore when we find the average, it gives the same reading as 0.149 centimeter. And here we find the outer diameter of metallic sphere, thickness of block, and outer diameter of that thin metallic wire. Then now we write the results, and for writing the results, write down the average values. Then here now we write the results. First is average diameter of metallic sphere, and here average diameter of this metallic sphere, here this is 0.709. This is 0.709 centimeter. Then second is average thickness of block. Then here average thickness of block is 0.989. Then here 0.989 centimeter. And third reading is average diameter of thin metallic wire. And here as we get the third reading as 0.149 centimeter. And therefore here we write 0.149 centimeter. These are the results for micrometer screw gauge. I hope you all understand how to take the readings by using micrometer screw gauge. Thank you.